Couplets.
Jumping cat.
Jumping cat. Jumping cat.
Let's look at how the cat is jumping.
Eating goat.
Eating goat. Eating goat. The goat is eating a snack from the little girl's hand. Drinking elephant.
Drinking elephant. Drinking elephant.
Elephants use their trunks for drinking water.
Crying baby.
Crying baby. Crying baby.
The mother soothes her crying baby.
Jumping cat.
Jumping cat. Eating goat.
Eating goat. Drinking elephant.
Drinking elephant.
Crying baby.
Crying baby.
Sleeping boy.
Sleeping boy. Sleeping boy.
The boy is sleeping in a hammock.
Sitting dog.
Sitting dog. Sitting dog.
Can you see a sitting dog on the chair?
Sleeping boy.
Sleeping boy.
Sitting dog.
Sitting dog.
Reading man.
Reading man. Reading man.
The man is reading a story to his child.
Walking horse.
Walking horse. Walking horse.
The horse is walking along with a woman.
Reading man.
Reading man. Walking horse.
Walking horse. Running sheep.
Running sheep. Running sheep.
The sheep are running as the dog rounds them up.
Smiling girl.
Smiling girl. Smiling girl.
The girl is smiling at her dog.
Running sheep.
Running sheep.
Smiling girl.
Smiling girl. Green frog.
Green frog. Green frog.
A green frog sits in the water. Brown bread.
Brown bread.
The rack is full of brown bread.
Blue umbrella.
Blue umbrella. There are many blue umbrellas alongside the pool.
Black cow.
Black cow. Black cow. The black cow enjoys the sun bath. Green frog.
Green frog.
Brown bread.
Brown bread.
Blue umbrella.
Blue umbrella.
Black cow.
Black cow.
Red strawberry.
Red strawberry. Red strawberry.
Red strawberries are ready to pick.
Purple grape.
Purple grape.
Purple grapes are crushed to make wine.
Red strawberry.
Red strawberry. Purple grape.
Purple grape.
Orange carrot.
Orange carrot.
We can use a grater to shred orange carrots.
Yellow banana.
Yellow banana. Yellow banana.
A yellow banana is ripe and you can enjoy it.
Orange carrot.
Orange carrot. Yellow banana.
Yellow banana.
Pink window.
Pink window.
She is cleaning a pink window.
White goose.
White goose. White goose.
Can you point to this white goose's long, graceful neck?
Pink window.
Pink window.
White goose.
White goose.